This creamy French dressing recipe is the perfect balance of sweet and tangy, making it a delicious topping for your favorite salads. In a food processor or a blender, combine 1 cup of ketchup with 1 cup of honey, a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, a half a cup of regular or light olive oil. I do not suggest using extra virgin olive oil for this recipe. While extra virgin olive oil is a better quality olive oil, regular olive oil is milder in flavor, and the extra virgin olive oil can overpower the other flavors in the dressing. You can also substitute with vegetable oil. Add a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of celery seed. Salt and pepper to taste, and you have a delicious salad dressing. For full recipe and tips, hit the link in the description and visit aforkstale.com.